Yeah, well, good day everyone. Welcome back to Ful-O Gold. Just out having a swing on a sunny Sunday. Just had this signal out of here. The most tiniest thing. You wouldn't believe it. That is the size of gold I got. Now, it's that small, you could probably... like, yeah, that's the smallest bit I've ever found. And so what I did, I switched over to normal mode, sensitivity mode, and I saw just to check out if the machine will handle where I am, and it seems to be running quite nice, and that's what I found. So it's almost gold monster size. So just thought I'd share that with you and see if I can find any more. And just picked up this little bit of gold stuck in this conglomerate. So they're only small so far, but I'm snagging them. It's the main thing. Okie dokie. So I've done it again, guys. Second tiny little bit. Picking up match head stick type gold. Monster 1000 size gold. I think the monster can get a bit smaller than this, but oh dear. Anyway, I'm having a good time. Alright, just go up to this last bit here. Quite a big size actually. If I can get it to focus. There you go. Locked up in that conglomerate stuff. And just out of, if I can get it to focus here. Yeah, just out of this gravelly stuff. Then you got this white stuff. Doesn't seem to be much in there at all. But under that, more browny stuff. So, happy days. Yeah, why is the camera not focusing? Anyway. There we go. Kind of broke it up with my thumb a bit. Yeah. Legendary. Okie dokie. Might leave this one here unless I find more. Yeah, if you like watching these videos, give us a comment, thumbs up, all that fancy stuff, because it makes the channel grow, and any feedback's welcome. I know I don't show a whole lot as in where I am, what I'm doing, because I don't want to give this spot away. Alright, thanks guys, take care.